Hey man, I'm finally starting to figure it out, man. Patience is key. For sure. Two. Oh. How y'all feeling? What's going on with y'all today, man? It is your boy, Jay the Sneaker Guy, coming at you today with yet another unboxing, man. And yes, as I stated earlier at the beginning of this vid, man, patience is key, man. I did get a shoe that your boy wanted, you know what I'm saying? I was like, those are a must for the collection, but at the right price, man. And I did state in my video I would pay X amount of dollars for this shoe if it got to that price, and it actually got below the price that I said I was willing to pay, man. So I was just waiting it out, and even like right now, the prices is still going down slowly. So they're not quite what I paid for them yet, but they're getting there. So I do see them going down and mimicking a shoe. I'll probably mention what shoe I'm talking about later on. I'm gonna just say it because y'all ain't gonna know, but I feel like the shoe that I'm talking about will mimic the Fragment 3s, you know what I'm saying? So ain't no telling, you know. I do highly believe that it will mimic those 3s because those shoes were going for a lot at first and then they just dipped, and even right now, like, it's still like they're stagnant. They're not really going up as people thought because of the whole Fragment thing. But anyway, before we get into this vid, man, if this is your first time stopping through checking out any of the family's content, or you are a returning visitor, man, glad to have y'all alongside with us today. And we would love for y'all to stick around by joining the family. How you do that? Hey, you scroll down, or you don't even gotta scroll down, just smash that subscribe button, man. And while you're doing that, make sure you hit that like button. But hey, hit that subscribe button, be a part of the fam. We on the road to 100K over here, man. And if y'all would help us out, you know, hey, achieve that goal, it would be greatly appreciated. In advance, man, we would love to welcome y'all to the family. But yeah, man, we about to dive into this unboxing. But before we do, man, I do gotta give a big shout out to my brother, man. My brother, Clean, you know what I'm saying? He got his merch in and it says Sneaker Art. So he does sell shoes, legit, authentic, 100% authentic shoes over on his page on IG. If you want to check him out, hey, I put my stamp on it. So if y'all want to get any early kicks, legit kicks, or any shoes that are already out, make sure you check out his page. If you see anything that he posts, hit him up in the DM and go ahead and secure your pair, man. He ships, you know, pretty much worldwide. But he did hook me up with this shirt as well as the dope trucker hat. As you can see, it does have that Sneaker Art branding on it. So you can get this merch as well over on his IG, man. So the whole pretty much fit hat shirt is from his brand, and multiple different colors, man. A whole bunch of different colors he has to go with these. So hey, make sure you check him out. I will link him down below in the bottom. Big shout out to the bro. Hey, that's big bro. So make sure y'all go over there and get y'all some merch. And yeah, man, let's go ahead and check out what your boy done got for the low. Appreciate that, David. Bang! Yes, sir, man. Your boy got that package. It came in. I got it overnighted. Hey, big shout out to the other bro, Bird Kicks. That's my guy. Big shout out to Bird Kicks. Make sure y'all follow Bird Kicks. He is another source, man. 100% legit kicks. Make sure you check him out. He, you know what I'm saying, hooked me up with the label to get these here expedited, you know. So, yo, man, hey. Big shout out to David Shaw over on Instagram. He actually commented on one of my videos. Hey man, tell y'all, I read all the comments, you know. It just takes me a little time to get back to him, which I will get back to him, but I'll be reading all the comments. But big shout out to David Shaw. He hit me up in the comment section of what video was it? Was it my, I want to say it was my Jordan 4 University Blue video. He hit me up and he said, hey man, I got blank and blank. Hit me up on IG if you're interested. So I hit him up and I was like, do you still got blank? He was like, why, yes, I still have blank, but I wanted beep. And I was like, whoa, crazy, that's crazy, whoa. But nah, man, hey, if you know, you know, man. Y'all drop down in the comment box, who did I just mimic? Who says that? Crazy, that's crazy, whoa. Anyways, man, y'all like, man, this man fooling. But anyways, I was like, hey bro, can't do it. So we got down to a reasonable price, which was way below, you know, the original price. And hey, we made it happen, man. So big shout out to David Shaw if you watching, man. I appreciate you, good business. It got here on time, safe and sound. So we about to pop it open and make sure everything is what it's supposed to be, man. So let me get my box cutter and let's check out what's inside the box, man. Appreciate you, my guy. So we got the box cut on deck, as you can see. Let's go ahead and pop it open. Fragile, very fragile. Treat my kicks very fragilely. Appreciate you. Go ahead and slice it up delicately. That should do it right there. So whoo, okay. What we got in here? Alright. So what is this? Okay, a receipt from shipping. Okay, a shipping receipt. And yes sir, I got them things for the low, man. Hey, patience is key. Trust me, patience is key, man. But prices are still kind of going down, but still ain't as low as what I paid for them, man. But taking out the box, y'all already know what it is. As soon as y'all see the box, got him. Yes sir, man. You already know what the vibes is, man. You see the box that we have right here. My slide out piece is coming out, but let me get it right. But yes sir, man. As you can see the box, your boy already did a review to these, so you should already know what is in this box. But hey man, appreciate you, David, for the good deal on these. But taking a look at the size tag, it reads Women's Air Jordan 3 Retro SP. Color blocking is white, medium gray. They retail for $200. This is a 10.5 women's, which equals you see that bottom number, man, a 9 for your boy. So yes, boy, I did get that 9. You know what I'm saying? And these AMA. Okay, let me say this correctly. Manir. Give me my kudos points. Hopefully I said it right. But anyways, man, enough of the talking. Let's get this slide out part out the way, man. If y'all haven't checked out my detailed review to these, make sure y'all check it out. And while we on that topic, man, let me go ahead and say, give me 1,000 likes, man. 1,000 likes. Y'all know that's my go-to number. 1,000 likes on this video. I will throw them on feet for you guys. Keeping my word, man. 1,000 likes, we gonna throw them on feet. Do the lace swaps, all that good stuff. But opening up the box, on the lid, nothing there, you know what I'm saying? Glossy Flight Jumpman, kind of a lavender brownish looking Jumpman on that lid. You do get your AMA paper right there, as you can see, AMA paper. And let me get about right here. That's a good enough place, man. But y'all see what's going on. It's upside down, but bang! Hold on. That's more like it. Bang! Yes, sir. Your boy got him, man. The AMA Manir 3s personal pair on deck, man. Big shout out to David Shaw again, man. I appreciate you, my guy, for letting me get that personal. It is a shoe that I said I needed in the collection because it is dope, man. It is arguably a contender for sneaker of the year, man. We're not even gonna call it the sneaker of the year yet because we're not even 6 months into the year yet. So a lot of heat, man, a lot of heat. But everything is everything. Got your white and green sticker inside there, man. Like I said, man, if y'all haven't checked out my official review to these, big shout out to my bro Just for Kicks, because that was his pair that I reviewed. So make sure y'all follow him as well. But if y'all haven't checked out that vid, make sure y'all check it out. But here we have them, man. Hold on, let me move this out the way so I can give y'all that good. Bang! There they go. The Jordan 3 AMA Manirs, man. And yes, it looks and feels so much better when they in your size, man. When you got that personal on deck, man. So yes, man, here they are. Glad to have these to the collection, man. And yes, man, yes. Don't know when I'll be rocking them. Probably once y'all hit that like button and it gets to 1,000 likes, I'll bring them out, you know what I'm saying? And I'll do a whole on feet and all that stuff while I'm out, who knows? But yo, man, hey, make sure y'all get y'all some of this sneaker art merch from my bro Clean. And as you can see, it all even flows together. Like I could step out in something like this, man. And that's what I'm trying to be heavy on. I'm trying to be heavy on wearing a lot of outside brands as far as like entrepreneurs and stuff, like, you know, supporting people that's around me and people that's trying to do things, because I be supporting all these companies that's already multi-million billionaires and all that stuff. So time to support each other, man. But hey, while we on that too, make sure y'all get y'all some JTSG merch from Sneaker Match Tees. But hey, that's it. Hey, mama, near threes on deck. Big shout out to David Shaw. Big shout out to Bird Kicks. Big shout out to the homie Clean. Big shout out to Just for Kicks for the original look at these, man. But that's it for this one. We are checking out. Your boy Jay the Sneaker Guy is gone with that personal. Woo! Nike Air on the back, man. I'm gone, man. Y'all stay blessed. Peace.